Ringke Cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Now I want to give a special shout out to Ringke for sending these over, so let's dive right in. This one is the Ringke Era Galaxy S20 Plus in clear eco packaging. So have a look, Ringke right there, ultimate experience. And then this one says military drop tested, etc. All right, on the back, eco packaging, tear here, right? Which is exactly what I'm gonna do. And then on the inside, you have some information here, coupon, 20% off accessories, etc. Simple TPU case. Look at how clear that is though. All right, let's go ahead and put the phone in. We'll have a look. Nice and easy. Ooh, this is nice and grippy. Wow, first impression. Nice and a lot of grip. All right, cool. From the front, it's gonna look like this. You can see the clear part of the case right there on the border. And then on the back, it's gonna look like this. Woo, look at that. Now, if you wanna show off your S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra in whatever color you got, this is the cosmic gray. If you have the blue one, if you have the pink one, right? Or even the black one, consider this case, because this is crystal clear. No oily effect, which is great. All right, let's have a closer look. Ringke branding there on the bottom. And now on the back, we'll check out the camera protection. Look at that, you got a little bit of a raise there to protect your camera in case of a drop in this area. Very nice. All right, we'll have a look at this side. Nice and clean. You have a cutout here for your lanyard if you wanna hang one off the case. On the bottom here, your cutouts, microphone, speaker, and your USB Type-C. On this side, another cutout for your lanyard, power/Bixby button, which is ridged, nice. And then the volume rocker. Here we have nothing, or except for the microphone. No cutout for the SIM. This is clean. And then we'll take a look at the front lip. Got a good amount of front lip here. Wow, look at that. Raises up right here. Yeah, that's a substantial raise from this part of the case to the bottom. Raises up. Oh yeah, this is nice lay on the table design. So if you drop your phone like this, you're gonna have some pretty good protection on a flat surface. Phone feels really good to hold, nice and thin, so it's not a bulky case. Still feels like a credit card. A lot of grip. A lot of grip. Nice. We'll go ahead and turn this on so we can test out the wireless charging, which should work. I don't see why it should not, and it does. Clicky buttons. Yeah, that's the thing about these Ringke cases. Their buttons have always been clicky, which I do love. Fusion matte for the Galaxy S20 Plus. Ringke branding, same thing as before. So I'm just gonna tear here. We'll have a look at this one. And then what is this? Ringke mirror. Remove outside film, remove inside film. All right, so we have some film that we have to deal with. Oh boy, oh man, this might, I hope this doesn't take too long. You know what? I already got it, wait. Okay, this is not too bad, I already got it. See, this thing about these like protectors on the inside, if you can get it in one piece, it would be hella easy. Look at this. Woo! Nice and fast. And then we'll do the same thing on the exterior. Grab a corner, just peel it up, and yeah, if you can get it one piece like this, look at that, just coming off. It's like taking wrap off of a car. Woo! Nice and quick. And look at this. Oh, okay, this is a matte. I think this is a matte. Yup, this is a matte finish on the clear, or frosted, right? Nice. If you want that icy look, what are you doing? Just put the phone on, man. Put the case on, man. All right, here we go. All right, and go like this. From the front, it's gonna look like this. You can see the clear border of the case. Now I'm gonna flip it over and, oh, this is nice. Look at that. It'll give it that icy kind of frosted look. Woo! Now this is hot too. Let's take a look at the camera protection. Got a little bit of a raise there from the case, right? So you drop it this way, should have some protection, right, on a flat surface. All right, and then on this side of the case, it's clean except for, what does that say right here? This says shock absorption technology. That's what that text says right there. And then here, what does this say again? Oh, this says made in Korea, lanyard cutout. On the bottom, you have your cutouts for your speaker, USB Type-C, microphone. On the bottom here, lanyard cutout. And then what does this say? This says Fusion. I don't know if you can see that. That says Fusion. Power/Bixby, volume rocker on top. You have your microphone cutout, and then no cutout for the SIM. Cool. Lay on the table design. Let's have a closer look. Oh man, look at that. Look at that raise from the side to the top of the case. Look at that raise. Then my bokeh is going crazy. All right, here we go. Nice. Same thing on the bottom. Pretty good raise here, man. So if you drop your phone and it drops on its face, on a flat surface at least, you should have some protection. All right, lay on table design. Pretty good. Nice and grippy too. This TPU they use here is hella grip, man. I love it. And then we'll check out the buttons. Oh man, these buttons, I'm telling you, these Ringke cases, their buttons have always been clicky. Yeah, man, if you like a clicky button, consider these Ringke cases. Pretty cool. Go ahead and turn this on so we can test out the wireless. Should work. Boom. Era Galaxy for the S20 Plus. All right, I'm just gonna tear. Okay, throw that to the side. Inside there is like a dot matrix pattern so you don't get that oily effect. All right, let's go ahead and just have a quick look here. Nice and easy, snaps right on. And oh, look at this, see? This is what I like about these darker cases, because when you put it on, especially now with like the all black fronts of these phones, you put a case like this on, right? And then it blends in seamlessly with the front of the phone. Look at that. You can't even tell there's a case on it, right? It's just, it looks like just one piece, blends perfectly with the front of the phone. I love it, man. I love it. We'll flip it over in the back and it's gonna look like this. Now look at this. Woo, this is hot, man. Nice and glossy. You can still see the Samsung right through, but then just look at it's just how clean and glossy that is. Ringke branding on the bottom. We'll take a look at the camera protection. The camera hump, as you can see, the case raises up above the camera. So we have some lay on the table design for the backside. If you drop it like that, it should have some protection. All right, we'll take a look at this side of the case. All clean, right, except for the lanyard here, lanyard cutout. On the bottom, USB Type-C speaker and your microphone. On this side, lanyard cutout, ridged power button so you can easily locate it. Nice. Volume rocker. On top, cutout for your microphone, no cutout for the SIM. Lay on the table design. And again, look at that raise right here. Nice, nice amount of raise. Pretty good lay on the table design on this one. I love it, man. And then the buttons, of course. Ooh, nice and clicky. You can even, I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, that is a clicky button. Ringke, thank you for making clicky buttons. I love it. Nice and grippy. Not a bulky case, so still looks and feels pretty thin, like a credit card. We'll turn this on. We'll have a quick look at the wireless charge. Should work on this case, and it does. Ringke Fusion for the Galaxy S20 Plus. Now, the Ringke Fusion has always been one of my favorite cases from Ringke for whatever phone I have. S10, Pixel. If I can just get this in one piece. Here we go. Woo! Nice and quick and to the point. Let's see. Get a corner. Okay, it's not too bad. There you go. Nice. Now this one's your hybrid case. You have TPU on the edges or on the border, and then this is hard plastic back here. The thing I like about these cases is that since the border is black, you look at your phone from the front, and with the black front now of these phones, the case blends in perfectly with the front. To me, this looks really clean. It just blends in seamlessly. You flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like this. Whew. Now what is this? Did I miss? Yep, that's on the inside. My bad. You know what? Nah, I gotta take that out. OCD, a little bit of OCD kicking in. What is that? No, that don't belong there. Let me just take this off. What is this? This plastic got left over? Man. All right, that's good enough. We'll put this back on. Here we go. Much better. All right, cool. So crystal clear back here. You can clearly see the color of your phone. This is the cosmic gray. It'll look good if you have the blue one or the pink one, or even the black one if you want to see the Samsung there nice and clear. We'll take a look at the camera protection. You have a raise there to protect the camera bump. On the back side, there's even a front lip, or not a front lip, but like a little raise in the corners, right? You see that right there. And then also on right here, and then also right here. See that little raise right there, right? So that's to protect the plastic from getting all scratched up. On this side of the case, nothing except for lanyard here. On the bottom, you have your cutouts. Have a look. And then here, your ridged power button, so you can easily feel it with your finger. Volume rocker, lanyard cutout. And then here, you have some Fusion branding. On top, you have a cutout for your mic, no cutout for the SIM. Look at that front lip. I love it, man. Pretty good lay on the table design on this. Look at that right there, that raise. Nice. Button check. Well, nice and clicky. Exactly what I expect from Ringke. Feels really good to hold. Nice and grippy TPU here on the sides. And then we'll test out the charging. Works as it should. Diffusion X for the Galaxy S20 Plus. Let's rip open this packaging. Whoa. Ugh. All right. Get this stuff out of the way, put that to the side, and then we do have some plastic here again, which, oh, this might be a challenge. Okay, where do I start with this one? Let's just go ahead and start here. All right, nice and easy. Yeah, the key is if you can get this like in one piece, you can take it off nice and quick. On the inside of the case, before I put the phone in, that one says Rear Made in Korea. Put the phone on, nice and fast. I love the black border of these cases. And you flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like this. Woo! Now this is hot. Just look at how reflective that is. It makes the cosmic gray almost look like a mirror. Now if you like that kind of look, consider this case. All right, let's have a look at the camera protection. Nice raise there. This side, nothing except for the lanyard cutout right there. On the bottom, cutouts. And then here, lanyard cutout again. This one says Fusion X right there. Ridge power button, volume rocker. On top, you have your cutout for your mic. Nothing for the SIM. And you do have some reinforcements on the corners. As you can see right there, I'm gonna get close. See that reinforcement right there on each corner. So if you drop your phone and it hits the corner, you should be protected. Let's check out the front lip. You have a massive front lip here. So if you drop your phone, lands on a flat surface, you should be protected. Check out the buttons. And yeah, man, that is a clicky button. Volume rocker, clicky as well. We'll check out the wireless charging. Works like a dream. This one is the Fusion X in camo black. All right, let's go ahead and rip this bad boy open. Take that off, and then we do have some plastic here again, which should be pretty easy to take off, I hope. There you go, nice and quick. All right, we'll just go ahead and put the phone in. We'll have a quick look. Black border blends in perfectly with the black front of the S20 Plus. You flip it over in the back, and wow, it's gonna look like this. Now, you know what? This might be my favorite case out of all of these cases by Ringke. I mean, cause you can still see the cosmic gray, right? Gives it that mirror look. But now there's this like camo pattern kind of over it. And it just, I don't know, this just looks pretty nice. And you can still see the Samsung on the bottom, which I do like. You know what? This might be my favorite case. I think I'm gonna leave this one on the phone, at least for the time being. This one looks nice. Digging it. All right, let's have a closer look. Ringke branding on the bottom. On the back, you have your camera protection here. Same thing as before, right? All right, on this side of the phone, nothing. Lanyard cutout right there on the bottom. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you look at this case, it kind of curves this way, right? So when you're holding your phone like this, Makes it easier to hold. See right here how it curves kind of down from the front to the back. Pretty nice. All right, on the bottom you have the cutouts. On the side here, lanyard cutout, Fusion X branding, Ridge power button, volume rocker, and then you have a plus and minus there. I don't think I mentioned that before. Nice attention to detail. On top you have your microphone cutout, nothing for the SIM. And then we'll take a look at the front end here, the lay on the table design. And again, like the other one, good amount of raise. And we'll check out the buttons. Nice and clicky. I do not expect anything less from Ringke. Wireless charging, which should work on this one. And it does. So these are Ringke cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. If you're interested in any of these cases, I'll go ahead and put links in the description down below. And once again, I want to say a special thank you to Ringke for sending these over. Thanks for watching. Peace out.